Hey guys, I bet you guys can't wait to find out which team got into the final round of CPCL Third League. But before that, let's find out what went down on the one-on-one round. It's the second day of CPCL. It's the quarterfinals, semifinals, and final round. The best part is the one-on-one game. It is a bonus round where each team chooses a player to represent the whole team. So there's gonna be lots of action and close-up on the player. This is gonna be a stiff competition, so I hope you're ready because I am way beyond ready.
I'm Fifi Rahman. These are my kids. This is Abang Boy and this is Adik Girl. We started playing paintball in 2008. My involvement in this paintball. This is basically a team which we formed about a week ago just to participate in Andrew's CPCL, support him. It's a mix of about 4 or 5 teams. Majority, my team is the Halloween. Okay, but we don't have all the players. So we have 6 of our players here. And then we have about 4 other players. So it's a mixed team. We came to play for the fun of it. The team we were playing in CPCL is called Kaifan Killers. This is not original lineup, but I have 6 of my players here. Okay, my son's 11 years old. He started playing because I started playing, my husband. We started playing. And he wanted to be in the field, but he was at that age, I suppose he was still a bit too young. So, but because we were playing, so the people there said, okay, he can go in because the parents are playing. So that was when he started. He was about 9 plus, so now it's about 11. So he's been playing. He has played in a few tournaments, but Andrew's tournament was his tournament in a sense. He came out in it. So it's the Watner Hall Cup, and then the first CPCL, the leg, and he played in the ISSC, International Super 7, and now this CPCL again. We are now currently, our main tournament is the National Paintball League, the Malaysian one, NPL, which has 5 legs in a season. We started in 2009. we have now been promoted to Division 2. So that's our main event, and we are currently ranked number 1 in Division 2. Sorry. Yeah, our members in my players in the Halloween. That's my team. We are trained to actually play all positions, because when you play all positions, it's easy. You can basically, like, you don't really have to worry about not having enough players. So that's why my captain gets everybody to try and play different positions, from the back to the mid to the front. So because I'm the only girl in the team of all guys. All right, so I train with them. Yeah, I train with them. I'm playing here too. Yesterday I played, but basically that's what we do. We are trained to play in all positions. Oh, it feels good. The feel there is good. Seriously, it's fun. All I can say is Andrew's tournament is always fun. CPCL is always fun. So the layout is fun.
The finalists are Team Blank.
There you have it. The teams performed the best they can. On behalf of Cyberviews and Berhad, Retna Hall Sports and Cyberjaya TV, we would like to congratulate the winning team. For the other teams, not to worry, there are 2 more legs to go. So stay tuned with us for CPCL. I'm Antonia for Cyberjaya TV. That is it. For more of CPCL, the third leg, stay tuned every Wednesday here at Cyberjaya-TV. I'm Antonia. Bye.